Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Mediavine for website earnings, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Mediavine for website earnings, start by visiting the Mediavine website. Create an account if you do not have one already. Log in to your Mediavine account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard section after logging in. Locate the Settings tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Find the Authentication section within the settings. Read any important notes or instructions provided for authentication. Prepare to connect your website to your Mediavine account. Open a new tab and access your website's content management system. Find the area where you can add code snippets or scripts, commonly in the header section. Copy the authentication code provided by Mediavine from the authentication section. Paste the copied code into the appropriate area in your website's header. Save the changes on your content management system. Return to the Mediavine dashboard. Look for the button or link that allows you to verify your authentication. Click on the verification link to complete the process. Monitor the status of your authentication in the dashboard. Confirm that there are no error messages related to the authentication. If there are issues, revisit the settings and check for any missed steps. Once authenticated, review the earnings reports to ensure everything is functioning properly. You are now successfully authenticated with Mediavine for your website earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.